Everyone, in this episode, we are going to read this blog from Amazon. The title is Sending CloudFront Standard Logs to CloudWatch Logs for Analysis. So, Amazon CloudFront is a fast content delivery network service that securely delivers data, videos, videos, applications, and APIs to customers globally with a low latency, high traffic speeds, with all within a developer-friendly environment. CloudFront Standard Logs, also known as Access Logs, give you visibility into requests that are made to a CloudFront distribution. Okay, you can visualize the requests that are made to a CloudFront distribution. The logs can be analyzed for a variety of use cases, such as determining which objects are the most requested or which edge locations receive the most traffic. Okay, yeah. Okay, so you can also use logging to troubleshoot errors or gain performance insights. You can gain these insights using the Amazon CloudWatch Logs features. CloudWatch Logs Insights, which enables you to interactively search and analyze your log data. Metric filters, which allow you to extract metric from log events. So you're going to filter log events so that you can get the you can be able to get the data, metric data from the log events. So insights, what's the difference between insights? You can interactively search and analyze, extract data. So extract data means you will export and export. You can export data, right? Okay, so Amazon CloudWatch Distributor Insights, which show you metrics about the top N contributors, the total number of unique contributors, along with their usage. In this blog post, I'll show you I'll show how you can send CloudFront access logs to Amazon CloudWatch Logs. I'll also discuss tools that you can use with CloudWatch Logs to generate meaningful insights and create dashboards from your CloudFront logs. Okay, overview. Many AWS services will write logs to CloudWatch Logs natively, while others write to Amazon Simple Storage Service or the Amazon S3 or to both CloudWatch Logs and Amazon S3. For a list of services, see AWS services that publish logs to CloudWatch Logs in the Amazon CloudWatch Logs user guide. In the case of service that only publishes its log to S3, a common practice is to use an AWS Lambda function triggered by an Amazon S3 event notification. In the case of service that only publishes logs to S3. Okay, so okay, to write the logs into CloudWatch log groups. So there are services that only publishes syslogs to S3. So what you can do is you can use a lambda function to trigger lambda function triggered by an event in S3 notification to write the logs into your CloudWatch log groups. In this post, I'll walk you through this process and some sample metric filters, contributor insights rules, and CloudWatch logs insights queries. I'll combine this data with CloudWatch metrics emitted from CloudFront to put together an operational CloudWatch dashboard for a given CloudWatch distribution. In cases where there is a high frequency of write events to S3, you might want to send the S3 event notifications to an Amazon Simple Query Service queue and then have the Lambda function pull the queue. The Amazon SQS approach allows a single function invocation to retrieve many objects from S3. SQS, yeah, Amazon SQS, Simple Queue Service queue. So, so in cases where there's a high frequency of write events to S3, you might want to send S3 event notification to an SQS. Yeah, so then the Lambda function is going to pull the queue. All right, so that architecture is like this. CloudFront. So CloudFront, you can get the metrics, put it on CloudWatch dashboard. S3, so CloudFront sends logs to or goes to S3. Then where's the SQS? Log insights. You can do log insights, metric filters, and contributor insights, and create a CloudWatch dashboard. Okay, so let's try to draw here. Okay, so let's create a new one. I want to create a new blank. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so let's try to imitate this thing. So you open up a group, put in your cloud account, AWS account. You open up a CloudFront, then your CloudFront is gonna invoke some S3 or make request to S3, and then your S3, you will have a lambda function that is going to it's going to trigger. This lambda function is going to make a write to the CloudWatch. Where's our CloudWatch? Yeah, so this one, this lambda is going to write how to make a write here. There you go. Lambda is going to write logs to CloudWatch, but that is triggered by an event in S3, and then your CloudWatch are writing events to writing logs to S3, and then yeah, you'll be using the contributor. there's no icon for contributor insights. Where is that? I should be in analysis. Um, no. Contributor insights. Logs. Is there any like logs? Machine learning, database, container, insights. How about just logs? Oh yeah, there you go. CloudWatch logs. Okay, so that is the contributor insights. What other logs do we have? Metrics. Metric insights. It doesn't have the same icon. Okay, so yeah, so basically the idea is you'll be using these tools, this metric insight, and um, yeah, this insight and metric filter, metric insight and metric. What is this? Basically, it's to generate a CloudWatch dashboard. Dashboard. Yeah, analysis dashboard. Is this open search dashboard? Analysis CloudWatch. Dashboard, CloudWatch. Storage, security, identity, satellite robotics, quantum, management and governance. Yeah, CloudWatch. CloudWatch metrics. Where's the dashboard? Chatbot. CloudFormation. Uh, It's not compute. CloudWatch business and application integration. Where is this cloud dashboard? CloudWatch. Okay, so there you go. These are the things that we need. So this is the metric filter. Um, yeah, this is the contributor insights. Yeah, this one. CloudWatch, still CloudWatch logs, log insight. Yeah, I think this is the insight. Metric insight. Metric filter. Yeah, it's different. It has different name here, so mm, so we don't have the dashboard, CloudWatch dashboard. This is open search. Yeah, it doesn't have the dashboard. Anyway, or I think this one, management console. Yeah, it seems like this is the one. Okay, so let's just put it here. Yeah, so all of this will generate will be used to build the dashboard like that. Okay, so let's continue to use the CloudFormation template. In this post, you need the following: CloudFront distribution with standard logging enabled. For more information, see Cloud for configuring and using standard logs, access to the S3 bucket where the CloudFront logs are being delivered. Approach: you will use a CloudFormation template to deploy the following resources: an S3 event notification to trigger for new object created events for the CloudFront logs, a CloudWatch log group to store your CloudFront logs, a Lambda backed custom resource to configure the S3 event notification, a Lambda function to write CloudFront logs in S3 to a CloudWatch log group, several metric filters for your log group, several contributor insights rules for your log group, a CloudWatch logs insights query for the log group, the CloudWatch dashboard that includes service metrics, metric filters, contributor insights, rule reports, and CloudWatch logs insights query results. The CloudFormation template takes the following parameters: S3 logging bucket name, la 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 la. Open the CloudFormation console, analyze. What's this? Contributor insights rules for your for your log group. Using contributor insights with CloudFront logs allows you to view requests made to your contribution from several dimensions. Here are a few examples of these rules, along with a link to the JSON formatted rule definition in GitHub. Quack, 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 quack. Clean up. All right, so to clean up this dashboard and associated rules, just delete the CloudFormation stack. Okay, so we have a CloudFormation stack. Where is the CloudFormation? Where is your template? Uh, Hey, where is your CloudFormation here? Yeah, where is the CloudFormation attached to your post, dude? Where is the attachment? Here. So this is the CloudFormation template that he bragged. Okay, this is a YAML file. Let's put it here in our okay, so let's read it. So this is its CloudFormation. So the description template that will create a Lambda function to send CloudFront logs to CloudWatch. Template will create CloudWatch contributor insight rules, metric filters, and a dashboard. So this is the metadata. What is the metadata? Parameters, resources. So this is the important part, the resources, but I'm not sure what is the metadata for in CloudFormation. So let's ask our friend ChatGPT here. What is the metadata for in cloud formation? Okay, in AWS CloudFormation, metadata is used to define additional information about a resource or stack. Metadata does not directly affect the configuration or deployment of resources, but provides a way to store structured data that tools, utilities, and CloudFormation itself can interpret and use during the template processing or resource lifecycle. Here are some common use cases for metadata in CloudFormation. Template level metadata. You can define metadata for the entire CloudFormation template, which can be used to provide information about the template itself, such as versioning or description. Okay, so CloudFormation interface, parameter group, label, S3 logging, location, parameter, notification, parameter labels. What are these label? Okay, so purpose this example organizes and labels parameters in the AWS Management Console for better user experience. There's also resource level metadata. You can attach metadata to specific resources to provide additional context or data that tools or utilities might use. Okay, so for instance, resources. Yeah, you can actually add a metadata here, but in this example, it doesn't have metadata on the resources. AWS specific metadata keys. So for the keys, you can also add metadata for the keys. And yeah, so it doesn't affect, it just gives you context on what um, the template, the resource, or the key is for. It will just add a description. So, yep, you can ignore this. So for parameters, notification bucket, yeah, you will put the notification bucket here, the name of the S3 bucket where you store our CloudFront logs. S3 bucket should be in the same region that this template is deployed in. Um, prefix where CloudFront logs are being written to, you will use this to enable S3 event notification. Select the S3 prefix where CloudFront logs are being written. Example logs. Yeah, parameters. These are just the parameter. Oh, it's very long. Oh man. Okay, so output link to the CloudWatch dashboard. Okay, so it will create a CloudWatch dashboard. Okay. Display widgets containing reports from Insight Rules metric. Oh man. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, so that is you can just read this blog by I will put this on the YouTube link also. So that's it. Thanks. Bye bye.